Here we go. 1, 2, 3. To the LCC winner, Tamil Nadu. To move on to the two-wheeler winner. Any guesses? Please don't put the name. Please don't put the name. Any guesses? Ladies and gentlemen, firstly, a very warm and hearty welcome to the pulse of Apollo Tyres. Each one of you who's present here today represents the success that we've achieved in the past years, and all of that has happened because of each one of you. So before we go ahead, we can just say that tonight our hearts swell up with pride as we see all of you gathered here. इससे पहले हम इस शाम को आगे बढ़ाएं, सबसे पहले अपने लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, clap for yourself. So let me introduce myself. I feel absolutely honored and privileged to be a part of this evening, which is the gala night of the sales conference of Apollo Tyres. I am your host Sonali Gupta, and tonight I can assure you is going to be absolutely spectacular. It's going to be mind-boggling. आज की शाम आप सभी लोगों के नाम, लेकिन आज की शाम पे आने से पहले I have been getting so many inputs, so much download about what truly happened yesterday. So I heard yesterday was not just day zero, it was a downright declaration. Each one of you pushed, ran, competed, and I've heard that by the end of the day, a lot of you discovered muscles you never thought you had in your body. So कितने लोग हैं जिनको लगता है they've truly discovered that they have some new muscles in the body they never knew about? Raise your hands. सभी फिट है यहाँ पे? या तो मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत फास्ट है या कोई मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहा था. How many men competed yesterday? Raise your hand. कितने लोगों ने कल कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया, भागीदारी दिखाई है? All of you competed? And how many women competed? Okay, all the women competed too. आज किस के बॉडी पार्ट्स में दर्द हो रहा है? Raise your hands that you can feel the pain, ache, everything in your body. Fantastic. So that means we all did tremendously well yesterday. Was it amazing or was it super amazing? Yeah? Do you think you want to do a reschedule of the whole thing once again? Do you want to do it over and over again? Yes? Yes? Are you ready? आवाज नहीं आ रही है, काफी सब थके हुए हैं. Okay, when I say 1, 2, 3, I want to hear a louder yes from everybody. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do that for sure, and I heard so much about the spirit that was there, that everybody participated, really pushed themselves, and they performed, and I should say outperformed from our expectations. But आउट परफॉर्मेंस ग्राउंड पे तो हुई, लेकिन उसके बाद मैंने सुना है कि काफी लोगों ने आउट परफॉर्म कर दिया इन एवटार ऑल्सो. So I heard that Avatar was just another revelation for a lot of people. काफी लोग थके हुए आए थे, but Avatar took your energies, your spirits, your vibe to just another level. And I heard that after 1 o'clock, when the bosses left, the second part of the party started. Now, how many people were there till 4 in the morning? Raise your hands. Line. Oh my God, are you serious? 4 बजे तक कौन पार्टी कर रहा था? Okay, point out to the people you know who were partying till 4 in the morning. Oh my God, that's a big secret. Alright, चलिए, कल जिसने भी 4 बजे तक पार्टी करी हो, but tonight we are definitely going to party because I know that yesterday there was a complete rain dance that happened. It rained and we skipped out on a few awards, which of course we are going to do today. But for today, I can see a lot of you colorfully dressed. So I want to know, what are these red t-shirts, yellow t-shirts, purple thing, all of them, you know, stand for what region they stand for. So would you like to tell me, the reds, what region are you guys from? आवाज ही नहीं आ रही मुझे. नॉर्थ की ऐसी आवाज होती ही नहीं है ही नहीं नॉर्थ है. अच्छा, ये शादीशुदा नॉर्थ है. एक साथ 1, 2, 3. Lovely. So I'm assuming that's south. So now we are all set, guys, and we are super excited. It's going to be a fun night. हम बहुत सारे awards देने वाले हैं. Tonight, everybody who walks up on the stage, you know, has worked extremely hard. They've outperformed, they've outshined, and tonight's going to be their moment. But you know, उनको सबसे ज़्यादा special कब लगेगा? When you all give them a big round of applause, you hoot for them, you scream for them, you whistle for them. So are we ready to welcome our winners on stage? बिल्कुल आवाज़ नहीं है. 1, 2, 3, ready? Fantastic. So all right, without further ado, it's time for us to begin with the awards. And as they say, कि you know, सीढ़ियाँ हो मुबारक उन्हें जिन्होंने छतों तक जाना है. सीढ़ियाँ हो मुबारक उन्हें जिन्होंने छतों तक जाना है. आसमां है मेरी मंजिल, मुझे अपना रास्ता खुद बनाना है. So we are going to welcome on stage our trailblazers for the past year, and I want you all to make a lot of noise as they join us. We are going to be starting with the first category, which is the Share of Business Growth Champions. And it's time for us to welcome our presenters for the day. Please do welcome them with a big round of applause. Can I request Rajesh Dhaya ji, Santosh Kumar ji to please join us on the stage for the first set of awards, the OEM Awards. Welcome, gentlemen. Happy to have you here. All right, now that our presenters are right here, I've told you the first category of OEM is the Share of Business Growth Champion. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our winner for this category. Any guesses? Shreya Chaturvedi of the North Zone for strong SOB growth of plus 108% in escorts, doubling the number of tires from 55,000 to 120,000 in financial year 26. Shreya, this is one that everyone says that you were made for, every target you chased and every deal you closed. Congratulations. Is she around? Have a big round of applause. She can hear your applause. We are going to be starting with the first category, which is the Share of Business Growth Champions. And it's time for us to welcome our presenters for the day. Please do welcome them with a big round of applause. Can I request Rajesh Dhaya ji, Santosh Kumar ji to please join us on the stage for the first set of awards, the OEM Awards. Master Award for the financial year 2026 with plus 25% EBIT contribution in total OE earnings, along with 8% plus revenue growth and 132% EBIT growth over financial year 2025. The Margin Master Award goes to S. Sasidhar of the West Zone. Here we have one more award, which is the final award in this segment, OE category of the year, financial year 2026. While the complete category outperformed by over 30% against FY26 budget, this particular individual delivered 59% revenue growth, 69% volume growth, and 26% growth on financial year 26 budget number, supported by the strong efforts by another individual who drives the category nationally. Any guesses? Please welcome Manish Jha and Rajiv Rai, OHT Farm category. Guys, well done. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for doing the honors. Thank you so much. All right, but we're not done yet. Ladies and gentlemen, we now would like to move on to the next set of awards, the Apollo Award of Excellence at the region level. The competition gets bigger, the trophies get shinier. Please welcome our presenters firstly on stage, Mr. Raja Sekhar Reddy, Mr. Jaydev Patra, and Mr. Amit Chabra on the stage. Welcome, gentlemen. One is missing?
Sorry?
One is missing?
No, he must be here. He's
Oh, yes.
I'm Amit Chabra, Raj and Jaydev.
All right. Lovely. Welcome, gentlemen. All right, we move on with the next set of awards. This is the the two-wheeler runner-up, WB and NE, West Bengal and Northeast. Please welcome on the stage our runners-up. I've already said it is West Bengal and Northeast. Congratulations. Welcome everyone, congratulations. Let's have a big round of applause for our winners. To move on to the two-wheeler winner. Any guesses? Any guesses? Please don't put the name. Please don't put the name. Any guesses? Chalo, you said it and we believe you guys. Please welcome Tamil Nadu. The two-wheeler winner. For this evening for PCR, इसके लिए तो हमें guesses होनी चाहिए. Any guesses? तो सबसे पहले बोलेगा हम उसको दे देंगे. Please welcome Karnataka, Kerala. Well done, guys. It's okay. Let's move on to the next category, which is the Radhastein runners up again. Any guesses? Well, please welcome Tamil Nadu. Well done everyone. Congratulations. बहुत मुबारकबाद. Those were our Radhastein runners up. अब रनर्स अप के बाद विनर्स की बारी है. Any guesses who is going to take home the winning trophy? Well, you said Maharashtra won and I agree. Please welcome our winners. Maharashtra won. Well done guys, congratulations. Can I see everybody's hands up in the air? Let's applaud for our winners. Come on. With this, I'd like to thank you gentlemen for doing the honors. Thank you so much. For the next set of awards, I'm going to have the absolute pleasure of inviting on stage Mr. Rohit Singh, Mr. Satyendra Rathi and Ms. Reema Sharma. Can I request you all to please join us? Mr. Rohit, Mr. Satyendra and Ms. Reema Sharma. Alright, so we move on to the next category of awards, which is LCC, and we are going to be starting with the runners-up. And runners-up के लिए कोई guesses? I love this spirit. I just love it. कोई runner-up जीतना ही नहीं चाहता. They say our eyes are on the winning trophy. That's what we want. So let me not take any more time. Let's welcome the LCC runners-up, NCR, HR. Please join us on the stage. So NCR, Haryana, welcome guys. Congratulations. Let's move on to the LCC winner. Any guesses? Tamil Nadu. And after the tractor runners up, it's time for us to call the tractor winner on stage. Any guesses? अब तो guess हो जानी चाहिए. अब थोड़ी आवाज निकली है. पंजाब, चलिए पंजाब की थोड़ी सी आवाज निकली है. Please welcome our winners for the tractor. Punjab, JK, HP and Chandigarh. end. I hope you loved watching us. We are going to be back with more such videos. Keep following us, subscribe to our channel, and make sure that you like all of our videos. We are going to see you soon. Be good.